Linktree Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Linktree and recommended alternatives are in the description. Let's get straight to the point. Linktree is a simple yet powerful tool designed to help dropshippers and e-commerce businesses streamline their online presence, especially on social media. With Linktree, you can create a custom landing page with multiple links, which is perfect for platforms like Instagram or TikTok, where you're limited to just one link in your bio. Instead of choosing one link, Linktree allows you to promote all your products, categories, or offers in one place, helping you drive traffic to various aspects of your store. Who is it for? Linktree is ideal for dropshippers who rely on social media platforms for traffic and need an easy way to showcase multiple links. It's a great solution for businesses that want to promote different product categories, sales, blog posts, or affiliate links without cluttering their social media bios. Key features include customizable landing pages, link scheduling, integration with platforms like Shopify, Instagram, TikTok, and email, and analytics to track click-through rates. Now, the strengths. The main strength of Linktree is its simplicity and ease of use. You don't need any technical skills to create a landing page, and the drag-and-drop editor makes customization quick and straightforward. Linktree also provides analytics, so you can track the performance of your links and optimize your strategy. Its integrations with e-commerce platforms like Shopify allow you to create a seamless user experience and drive sales directly from your social media profiles. Additionally, Linktree offers a free plan, making it a low-cost option for smaller dropshipping businesses. Weaknesses? While Linktree is excellent for managing multiple links, it's not a comprehensive dropshipping solution. It doesn't handle product sourcing, order fulfillment, or email marketing. Also, the free plan has limited customization options, and you'll need to upgrade to the Pro plan for more advanced features like custom branding and additional analytics. If you have a large product range or want a highly branded experience, the free plan may not suffice. Final verdict: Linktree is a valuable tool for dropshippers looking to maximize their social media traffic by showcasing multiple links in one place. While it doesn't offer product sourcing or fulfillment capabilities, it's a great addition to your marketing strategy, especially if you're active on social media. If you need more robust features, check the links in the description for alternatives. If you want a simple, efficient way to organize and promote links, Linktree is definitely worth considering.